Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because we hit 500 subscribers, guys. Woo! I'm so excited. And because of that, we will be having a giveaway. We're going to talk about it a little bit later. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this holiday makeup look. Little candy cane eyeliner, just super, super cute. One of my favorite looks to do around the holidays. Okay, let me show you what all we have in this giveaway. So we have a mini ceramic curling iron, really nice for travel. I know we're not really traveling a lot these days, but really nice to have either way. We have a Tula skincare cooling eye balm, really nice. Violet Voss Essentials palette. Violet Voss is a really nice brand. Great quality eyeshadows. We have Professional Hydrating Primer. This is one of my all-time favorite primers. I'm actually wearing it today. I cannot recommend this enough. I really am obsessed with this primer. Great for the winter too when your skin's feeling a little bit dry. We have a gold superfood instant exfoliating face mask. This baby was sold out for so long on their website. I believe they actually started selling gold in Sephora as well, but I've heard great things about this mask. And I really had a hard time deciding if I wanted to give it away or not, but I'm giving it to one of you guys. We have a Touch in Soul Fill Up Orange with some really pretty warm tones. That's an eyeshadow palette. We have a Laura Geller Eye Lip Cheek Palette. A Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask. A cute little pink shimmery lip gloss. The Hank and Henry Living in Color Palette. And last but certainly not least, the Makeup by Mario Master Metallics Palette. So in this giveaway, we have 4 eyeshadow palettes, a bunch of skincare, some extra little things here and there, and I am really excited for one of you to get all of this. So stay tuned towards the end of the video to find out how you can enter the giveaway. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. I'm gonna need you to hit it. We have a lot of fun here on my channel doing makeup, food, fashion, thrifting, anything you could ever want. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So let's get on with this makeup tutorial and giveaway. Okay, so I already did my base. I did concealer using NARS Soft Matte, primed with Hydrating Professional, and then set with Coty Airspun. So do your base however you want. Foundation, concealer, nothing, whatever. So next step is bronzer. This is not going to be a very bronzed look, so I'm going to go kind of light-handed with it. I just want to give my face some shape. And I'm using the Marc Jacobs bronzer in Tantastic. Okay, so next step is blush, and I'm actually going to be using a red blush from NYX in the shade Crimson. You don't have to go this red with it. I just think it's cute for the holidays. If you want to go more toned down, maybe a more like orangey, peachy shade like that, but I'm going whole hog with the red, but I'm going in very lightly. And I'm gonna put it across the bridge of my nose and on my cheeks right here to kind of get that, ooh, I'm cold look, you know what I mean? I look like a little cartoon character. And then if you feel like you've gone in too hard, you can always just take a clean brush and kind of blend it out a little bit. And next I'm going to take a kind of pinky highlighter. Nothing too blinding, but whatever your taste is in highlight, you do that. I like to put a little on the forehead and the nose. Okay, so I primed my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot, and now we're gonna go into eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is gonna be super simple because we definitely want the focus to be on the eyeliner for this look. First, just take a transition shade that is a few shades darker than your skin tone. We don't want anything super pigmented or too dark because we're just blending this out really simply in the crease with a fluffy brush. And then I'm gonna take kind of a neutral shimmer shade and lightly tap that on the lid. And that's literally the eyeshadow. That's all we're doing for the eyeshadow. So next we are gonna start our little candy cane eyeliner. And the first step in doing that is making a wing with white eyeliner. The best white eyeliner I've ever used is this NYX Epic Wear white liner. It's waterproof and it stays on so well. Really just use whatever technique suits you best to make a wing, and yeah, take your time doing it. And you want to make it fairly thick so that you have room to do little designs on it. And then do the same on the other eye. Okay, so next is the fun part, is adding like the candy cane element to it. And I use a liquid lipstick. This one is eye safe, but if you have a red liner, that works as well, but I don't. So I just use red liquid lipstick and a tiny little detail brush. And what you're gonna do is create the stripes slanting the same direction as your eyeliner. Like, just kind of have fun with it. Don't beat yourself up if it's not perfect. Mine surely will not be. My lipstick is also dried out a little bit, so it makes it a little difficult. Look how cute it is! Okay, and then you move on and do the other eye. Okay, so now that we have our little stripy stripes, we are going to outline the entire liner in black. This part can be a little scary, but again, just take your time. Like, I might mess up on it, so don't judge me. I think this step is really important because it makes the entire liner pop. See the difference? This one really stands out. All done. So throw on lashes if you want. I'm just gonna use mascara. Also, just do your brows however you like. I'm gonna do mine off camera. Do whatever your preferred brow method is. Okay, and then the final touch is lipstick. I'm using Dose of Colors Date Night. And just use your favorite red. Perfect for the holiday season, whatever your favorite is. And then finish off with some setting spray to lock in your beat for the day. Okay, so this is the final look. This is one of my favorite holiday looks to do. It's a little bit extra effort with the eyeliner, but I just think it's so cute looking and I really love it. Okay, now let's get to the goods. You've been waiting for the giveaway, I know. So in order to enter this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to leave a comment below. It can say anything you want, I don't really care, but number 3, make sure to leave your Instagram handle in the comment as well, because that's where I will be sliding in the DMs of the winner. Make sure to leave that down there as well. I will leave all the details in the description box. The giveaway will be closed a week from today. That would be December 9th or something like that. Whatever next Wednesday is, that's it. So any questions will be addressed in the description box. So make sure you enter the giveaway. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this little holiday makeup tutorial and giveaway video. Thank you guys so much again for 500 subscribers. It means so much to me and I just love making videos so much. And I'm glad that you guys are here with me on this journey. So stay on fleek, friends. Bye.